Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBullersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. Man, it is coming to an end quickly. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it's been a great trading day for you. Keep in mind, everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. And folks, here's a list of the various social platforms we've got out there. Make sure you follow along. Keep up with all the latest and greatest that we put out there day in and day out. All right, so we're going to start with the economic reports and what we got going here. So I am going to look at the importante ones first. So we got a 10 a.m. report, big concern there, and it's red, right? So that's an important one. Why? Market's open, right? It's red. Biggest potential impact. Now there's consumer confidence is orange. Yeah, it's there. It's going to come out at the same time as the Jolt markets just closed. But I'm not as concerned with it, right? Just like I'm not as concerned with the 9 a.m. because the market's not open. Unless you're trading futures, it really doesn't matter. 8:15, 8:30, is the ADP report important? Is the GDP report important? Yes, they are, but they're pre-market. 10 o'clock on Wednesday, you got core PCE, right? That's a big report. Let's see, on Thursday, 8:30 reports. They're important. Unemployment, yep. Fed's looking at it for what they're doing with the interest rates, but we got PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. That's an important one at 10 o'clock. 9:45, I don't expect too much from it, but it could be. And then Friday, all of these are pre-market, so I'm not really too concerned with them. All right. So let's go jump in. All right. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 first. We get up above the 54.73. Yes. Right, that is a midpoint fib line. If you do not have it on your chart, jot it down. 5473, critical level. We pushed into it on Wednesday. Thursday, we chipped away at the ice. And as usual, today was the breakthrough day. Boom. We're in a neutral bias right now. We're at a rank of 3. So some will look at that and go, yeah, it ain't that big a deal. No, where we close is a big deal. We put in a higher high than this one we had right here. That was a lower high there. This one became a higher high, and now a little bit higher high. So we need to get above the 55 to start looking at bullish positions for me, and the 8 needs to cross up through the 21 or the pink through the green. If we can get that to happen, now I'm on board for long-term positions, meaning swing trades. I did on power option plays yesterday. We did on, I'm just checking, Costco. We put an order in to buy above X, whatever that was, but we put a directional trade order in a swing trade on Costco today, for today. So let's see. This was a buy above. So if it got above, we're in. So we're in. We're definitely in Costco on a swing trade. So we'll see how it goes. All right. So where are we going on the S&P then? I'm looking at, let's see, that 55.62 level is our next upside target. Downside is 54.73. If it breaks that, 54.23, which is the confluence of the 8 and the 21. A lot of strength in there, man. Strong floor at this point right now. And then we go look at the VIX. All right, so we're in green, love it. And we've been up at 60 here, so this skews everything for us, right? This thing just looks massive. Our green zone looks so tiny, right? The red goes from 29, 28 all the way up, right? Just rock and roll time. So overall, we're down 159 on the VIX. Today on the S&P, we were up 40 points. Yesterday, we were up over 100 points. So we've had some really nice movers. If we look at our weekly chart of the S&P, right, there's the weekly on there. Great bounce. Woo! Blew through the 618. I love it. Almost a shaved top on the weekly candle, meaning no wick, but we do have a tiny one there. But that's why I said almost a shaved top. And this one on, I don't know if this is weekly or monthly. Let's see, we'll take that out of there. Actually, let's undo that. We needed that one in there. Yep, this had to be backed up. Okay, and we're going to make sure this is not transferred to other fibs. Let's edit this to other charts. Show for all windows. We do not want to do that. Okay, we'll leave it on there. Now let's go back over to the monthly. That little junky one that was in there is gone. So our monthly chart, right? I mean, rock and roll, baby, right? What a great move in here. Good Good pullback and bounce. We've blown through the ABC. We hit the 100 in the last couple of months. And then you can see the last 3 months we've been down. But look at this month. Look at April. Look at how long that wick is and where we're finishing up. We're still bearish on the candle. There's no question. We're still down. We're down 86 points, right? No question. But look at how much more we were down. Look what we've come back, folks. Great opportunity right now on the upside. Let's see if we can hold and make the daily chart get us over into a bullish bias. If we can do that, if we can get to that daily, all is going to be good. All right, everybody. Hey, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all on our next update. Bye for now.